woke up. I know, very late, but that's what we do on weekends. We sleep in and just rest. Today is no different, except we decided to go out today and enjoy the sun, so I decided to bring you along with us. We're going to this park. We might do some biking. So yun, I thought it's a good idea to document this. Maybe a day in the life kind of vlog. And yun, so before we head out, I'm gonna prepare breakfast. I'm gonna make some French toast, get ready, and head out and enjoy the sun. What I'm gonna be wearing today. Wearing this bikini top from H&M. I got it because I like the design and I like the fit. And then I'm wearing my favorite cycling from Lululemon since we're gonna go biking. I thought it will be very comfy to wear this instead of maong shorts. So yeah. Storage area in our apartment for the bikes. So it's 4 p.m. We're finally heading out. We're going to Birds Hill Park. It has a man-made lake and a bike trail. So JM is out there trying to figure out the bike rack that he bought. So I'm gonna help him out and I'm gonna check on you guys later. Okay, so our bikes are here and they're gonna go there. Hi, Scapron. Second stop, burger. Getting our annual pass para hindi na every time we go here we have to pay. Muy will be here later, so you're gonna see him. I know a lot of people enjoy watching Muy in my stories. It's a sunny day, it's 5 p.m. We're gonna just hang out under the sun kasi it's getting colder every day. So baka malapit nang mawala tong araw na to for summer. So we're enjoying as much as we can. The IKEA bag. We're here. So this is what they call a beach. It's not much, but we'll take anything we can get. Maghahamok dapat kami kaya lang walang available na spot. So we're just gonna stay here and wait for Muy Muy. Such a nice weather and we're so glad we went out. And we brought this hammock na ginawa naming beach towel kasi we couldn't find a tree to hang it up. But it worked just fine. And Muy Muy's here in the parking lot and we might swim.
fish? What do you want to name him? Anong gusto mong name niya?
What's your name?
Can I name it Moy Moy?
No. This one.
Okay.
Or there.
One for you, one for me.
Yes.
What is this ba? What do you call this?
Oh, there. Okay.
Okay.
Sarap?
Harap. Thank you. So glad we went out today. Kasi usually every weekend we just stay in, watch series or movies at home, eat. But we thought matatapos na yung summer. And mag-winter naman. And winter, wala ka talagang magagawa but stay at home. So we're making the most out of the summer days. This is how it is in Winnipeg. Summer, lumalabas yung mga tao. Kasi nga, it's too cold here. So yun yung usual na ginagawa dito ng families. Barbecue, picnic. Yan. Time check, it's 8:30 in the evening and the sun is still up. We just finished biking and now we're going to have some Korean shaved ice cream kasi nag-crave si Kat. So automatically nag-crave din ako. But we're gonna go home first. So ibababa namin yung bike kasi walang lock yung bike rack. Oh my gosh. May nag-wave sa amin, sabi nalalaglag na daw yung isang bike. So we're gonna look at it and try to fix it. Oopsie! Kanina kasi I suggested dito yung may handle. Ewan ko kung ba't ko sinadjust yun. Turns out, it doesn't work that way. Of course, it's my favorite playlist. We're home. We're gonna wait for Kat and Davis kasi isang car na lang kami. Tapos, ibababa lang namin yung bike sa storage and punta na kami to have ice cream. Here is the indoor parking of the apartment. When it gets colder, we're gonna look for a spot here para hindi mahirapan.
I did today and I watching you today.
So, kumusta ang GM diet natin?
Goodbye,
Fifth day. Hindi, si Kat, she has strong self-control kasi nakaya niya till today. Ako, kahapon, pag-give up.
sabi ko kahapon, hindi talaga kami pwede magkita ni Yves kasi
Sisira. It's gonna explode.
Where?
Ayun!
Yellow.
I'm gonna look. Oh, mapakita yun. Marla, baliktad!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Good night! Thank you! Time check. It's 11:40 p.m. and we just got home. We took a shower. So you might be wondering why everyone's out. Mababa na yung cases ng COVID dito but everyone respects social distancing. We're lucky. Kasi nga mababa na yung cases. So nag-resume na sa normal yung lives dito. But everyone is still being extra careful, which is good. We're calling it a night and we're gonna watch
strawberry cake.